In this video, I will show you how you can install the GTA 5 FitGirl Repack. Download the FitGirl Repack files, obtain the GTA 5 FitGirl Repack installer file from a trusted source, then ensure the download is complete. Disable your antivirus and background apps. Temporarily turn off your antivirus software on Windows 10, then close unnecessary apps to avoid interruptions during the installation process. Launch the setup file. Right-click on the setup.exe file and select Run as Administrator to start the installation process. Choose the installation location. Select the folder where you want your GTA 5 to be installed. Ensure you have enough disk space. Complete installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to allow the installer to unpack all your files, then wait for the installation to finish. Run the game as administrator. After installation, open your game files, right-click on GTA5.exe and run as administrator, then start playing. Now you know how to easily install the GTA 5 FitGirl Repack. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.